In this video, I will be telling you guys how to use GDPR compliance option. For that, the process is very simple. If you are new to the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. So all you have to do is to visit the link in the description below. You will be redirected to this dashboard once you are logged in. On the left hand side, you will see audience option. Once you click on that, you will be navigated to this part. Over here, just go ahead and click on the three dot, click on the audience settings, scroll yourself down, and you will see the GDPR fields on sign up forms. Just go ahead and click on that, and then you will be able to configure all the settings. For example, if you want to add title, description, marketing preferences, if you want to add an option, that you can do. If you want to remove it, you can do that as well. And then all the legal text you can unsubscribe at any time by clicking the link in the footer of our email for information. This is a pre-built text, so you can change it as per your own requirements. Then click display GDPR fields on the sign up form and then save the setting. So that way you'll be able to do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.